Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to exactly show you again how can you create a report and find out your search terms which are being searched from the customer so that you can update the backend search term from utilizing the search term which is being searched by the customer. Okay, so I have just come to this place in the search report. Let me tell you where from you can come. So now here, if you come down sponsored ad and reports, so you have to click here. Now this will open up in this window. Now go to create report. So now you have search terms, okay, already selected. Otherwise you can do by yourself, and click here daily, and for the last 30 days I am going to fetch the data and just run report. So you have to wait a minute, it's processing. Now you can see here the report has been downloaded. Now open up this report, it will open up in the Excel format. Now you can see here is all the search terms you need to know in order to like improve your SEO or search backend search term. So here are this search term. Let me highlight this one. So these are the search term, and you can see the impressions, clicks, and click through rate, cost per clicks, and all these things you are able to see here. And you can go through this data once and update the thing accordingly. So these are the customer search result, and uh, like what is the type, match type. So you can see broad, phrase, exact matches are there, so you can choose or understand things accordingly. So I hope you like this video. This was valuable for you, so please hit the like button so that I am keep coming, bringing such videos, so that uh, you can understand the things, how things work in the Amazon world. Thank you for that, for giving your time. Thanks.